Hi there, this is Timothy McCown Reynolds speaking to you from beautiful, sunny Flagstaff, Arizona, where I had the distinct pleasure this past Sunday of attending IAmDivineLove, a playful affirmation of the true nature of self workshop, conceived, created, led, conducted, and inspired by Holly Troy. I had such a great time. I didn't quite know what to expect going in, other than my knowledge of Holly as a being and as a creator and as a teacher. She's a wonderful painter and writer, which I knew, but I'd never taken a workshop with Holly before, and I really, really think that she is great and is doing really good work. The workshop really focuses on divine love being the fated destiny of all created souls, of all living beings. And we did physical work, we did presence work, we did some sort of deep, kind of spontaneous investigations into what love is to us, things that we love, things that turn us on, and brought them up to the surface. It was really quite wonderful and really opened everybody up. And we had a wonderful guided meditation. And all of that in only 90 minutes, which was chock full of delight. I recommend this workshop to anyone who is interested in grounding, centering, opening up, loosening up, and really coming into greater touch with themselves. So thank you, Holly, and keep on workshopping. Bye.